work of art, made with love, made with care. Tasty moments we can share. From my home to yours today, bringing joy in every way. Clean it up, make it shine, living fresh and feeling fine. Fluff the pillows, sweep the floor, peace and beauty at my door. Life's a mix of sweet and spice. Find the joy, don't think twice. Simple moments, big delight. Cooking, cleaning feels so right. Made with love, made with care. Smiles and laughter everywhere. From my home to yours today, bringing joy in every way.
I'm done sieving it though. This is the potash, so the chaff I have to throw it away, then allow this water to settle. Next is ehu, so pound it. African nutmeg, that's what ehu is. To pound it, you have to take little, don't take too much, so this thing will not be too much. Add prawns, pound it very well. Select to use prawns today because I didn't buy crayfish. Fresh pepper, pound it. Be careful with pepper or with onions. Then after pounding, have to pound it carefully, you know, wire. That is it though. Then I've started this red oil, add potash, the one that settled on the surface. So this is it, oil is ready. In my next video you see the full abacha.
The snow falls quiet on the hills tonight. No steps mark where I've been. A world of solitude surrounds me, and I'm standing here within. The wind is whispering a wild storm inside, but I'll face it now, no need to hide. I'll let it go, I'll let it show. No holding back the glow. I'll let it go, I'll let it shine. Close the door, I'll be just fine. I won't mind what they say, let the storm come my way. The chill never touched me anyway. It's strange how some space clears my mind, and all those fears I left behind. Now it's time to see what I can find. Break the mold, no ties that bind. No right, no wrong, I'll pave my way. Standing strong, come what may. I'll let it go, I'll rise and soar. Feel the wind forevermore. I'll let it go, you'll see me high. No tears left, I'll reach the sky. Here I'll stand, come what may. Let the storm come my way. My strength flows outward through earth and air, a part of me reaching everywhere. Each step I take, a brand new path. The past is gone, no looking back. I'll let it go and greet the dawn. A new light from now on. I'll let it go, no turning around. The real me finally found. Here I'll stand in the open light. Let the storm rage bright. The chill never touched me anyway.
Ama mi okwu ga aka. Chima.
I'll let it go, I'll let it go.
Dimo.
I'll let it go. I'll let it go, I'll let it shine.
China.
Close the door, I'll
So ko bi o.
just
No fa mo.
fine.
Tiro mo.
Here I'll stand
Tiro mo gine wo to beri ha.
like the
Ele não
sun
me vê
come
para lá.
my way.
Eh.
Eu ainda disse mais feio. Merina.
Are you serious?
Digo. He a businessman. That me I like him no way.
Apoirie confirm. Apoirie confirm. Apo, elie confirm.
No bom trombom. Que isso é uma nipo Hey.